ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂತಾದರೂ ಇರು ಎಂದೆಂದಿಗೂ ನೀ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಗಿರು. ಸರ್ವೇ ಜನೋ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು. ನನ್ನವ್ವ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಸಪ್ಪೆ ಅಂಬೇಡ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಉಪ್ಪಾಕು ಅಂತ. ಮೈ ಮದರ್ ಸೆಡ್ ಇಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್, ಸೇ ಪುಟ್ ಎ ಗ್ರೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. ಟುಡೇ we are going to celebrating Lord Bhagavan Mahavira Ji, the man of simplicity, a divinity, a divya jyoti hai, paran jyoti hai. On this auspicious, on occasion of this, today, chairperson of this, I am very much inspired, his attitude, character, conduct, and he talked lots of kind words about me. A spiritual leader, and more than his soul is universe. I am happy, very much happy. I am going to receive Bhagavan Mahavir Antarashtriya Prasuti in presence of in his chairmanship. I am very, very thankful to first Dr. Sudesh Kumar Agarwal ji, and then in the simultaneously for this I always tell my second mother Sita Mukhopadhyay, he also talked a few words about me. I am very thankful to him also. And on this occasionally, he is the man of dynamism. Every day is working lot and very down to earth also, and he engaged with lot of programs. We have to support and push him. My dearest friend come brother, he is a Hala Calcutta, and he is doing lot of works, and Rotary Club and Lions Club and all. Particularly one thing I have to do, मैं दिल से बात करता हूँ. I love Calcutta and West Bengal journalist. पश्चिम बंगाल से कलकत्ता से पत्रकार बहुत वो मेरा दिल है. वो मेरे को सभी दिया, प्यार दिया, खुश दिया, सभी दिया. They given love, care, compassion and everything. I am always grateful to West Bengal and particularly Calcutta patrikas or journalists and all the peoples, so many peoples. Yeah, lot of my brothers and sisters are journalists are there. I am connecting them. अभी ये मास में अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिनाचरण है, इंटरनेशनल वुमेन्स डे. टुडे इज March 31st, but we have to be do celebration every day, not only March month. We have to do celebration. We have to give. वही देश में कभी जाग में स्त्री प्रधान होते, वो देश, वो राज्य, वो कुटुंब प्रकाश. That's why one thing. And today I receiving of this award. One side I am very much happy, another side I am really scared, afraid, because of this war is happening. We forgotten what our spiritual, they are given beautiful footprints in the earth, like 2600 years ago. Bhagavan Mahavir, Buddha, Jesus, Vaigambar, Guru Nanak, like that. So many people in all religions, they give very, very divinity footprints in this earth. Very, very beautiful. But today, what's going on? In all the religious things, the man, I don't know, ಈ ಯುದ್ಧ ನಡೀತದಲ್ಲ, ಯುದ್ಧ, ಈ ಯುದ್ಧದಾಯಿಗಳೇ, ಒಂದು ನನ್ನ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಮಾನೀಯ ಕ್ರೌರ್ಯವನ್ನ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತಿಗೆ ಬರುವ ತಲೆಮಾರಿಗೆ ಕೂಗಿ 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 ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ನೆನಪುಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಳಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. We are going to tell you warmongers, powermongers, we are going to tell the whole world, this in one of your reality, generation to come. My humble request, see, Mahavir Buddha, Mahavir, not a symbolic, only one thing. To be frankly, I am very much inspired. Simplicity, Satya, Ahimsa, particularly Ahimsa. Mahavira inspired a lot of peoples. Buddha inspired a lot of peoples. Jesus inspired a lot of peoples. Paigambar inspired a lot of peoples. So, particularly in Kolkata, Adhyatma ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेंस है. रामकृष्ण परमहंस, माते शारदा देवी, स्वामी विवेकानंद, अरविंद घोष, दक्षिण से रमण महर्षि, बहुत 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 गिवन ब्यूटीफुल. वो दिव्य ज्योति है, सत्य ज्योति है और विश्वात्मा है. And I have to say, भगवान महावीर विश्वात्मा है, दिव्य ज्योति है, दिव्य ज्योति है, अहिंसा, सत्य, like that. He, Gandhi very much influenced by Mahavira. So many people. But today, celebration means, I'm praying frankly, we all forgotten the three peoples, warmongers and powermongers, doing of this war now. Whether I'm not belongs to any party, any religious, anything. My only one thing is, we're all one family, one state, one nation, one world. अभी पूरा जगत में ये प्रपंच के हम सब लोग एक ही है, लेकिन वो क्या है? तीन आदमी बदमाश आदमी के लिए पूरा the whole world is suffering. Whole world is suffering. I'm not praising, I'm not criticizing any country, because innocent people, lot of innocent people, especially children and women, they never know what's going on. They are going to suffering of it. So I'm really disturbed. It makes me. In this aspect, if we give whole message to the world, just stop the war, stop the war, stop the war. ये अमानवीय क्रूर ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, सभ्य पूरा जिंदगी में वो अमायिक जीव है, त्याग होते हैं, बलिदान होते हैं, सभी होते हैं ना. ये महावीर का मैसेज है ना, शांति है, सत्य है, अहिंसा है. पूरा जीव संकल्प, वो जीव संकल्प विश्व होते हैं, अच्छी होते हैं, पूरा जिंदगी होते हैं, मानव नहीं है, पूरा जीव संकल्प. यहाँ totally environmental cycle of chain of circle. If one chain is cut off, whole thing will destroy. ಸಕಲ ಜೀವ ಜಂತುಗಳು ಸೇರಿಯೇ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿಯ ಸರಪಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಕೊಂಡಿ ಕಳೆದರೂ ವಿನಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟದ್ದು. ನವಡೇಸ್ ನಮ್ಮ ತೆಲುಗು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗೀಗ ನೆಲವೆಂದರೆ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಭೀತಿಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಮರಮರಕ್ಕೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿವೆ ಮನೆಗಳು. Nowadays, all animals and birds are very much afraid of our earth, because everywhere, for small tree or big tree or whatever things is spreaded nets.
Pragyan Bhavan. We are very thankful to Dr. Suresh Agrawal sir, chairperson of Pragyan Foundation, for hosting this program, where we have awarded Nagathialli Ramesh ji from Karnataka. He is an internationally acclaimed Kannada poet, visionary thinker, agriculturist, filmmaker. On behalf of Pragyan Foundation, on behalf of Hello Kolkata, on behalf of Rotary Club of Kochba and Lions Club of Kolkata Magnets, we have presented the first Antarashtriya Prashasti Shanti Purashar to Nagathialli Ramesh. I now request Suresh sir to kindly speak a few words about Ramesh ji and how to read this.
Today, on the auspicious occasion of 2624th birth anniversary of Lord Mahavira, we are very much happy and we feel privileged to present this International Peace Award in the name of Lord Mahavira to Mr. Ramesh, all the way from Karnataka, who is a multi-genius person who has contributed in various fields of humanity, and he has been receiving this first international award today on this Mahavir Jayanti. On this occasion, we would like to chant the Jain's mantra, Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Airanam, Namo Ubvajayanam, Namo Lois Vasu, Esho Panch आइए हम सब लोग मिलकर के इन पांचों की सेवा करें, पांचों के वचनों को पालन करें।
Sri Kannadam Gelge, Sri Kannadam Balke. I'm going to this moment. My mother Kempamma, my father Rangappa, my grandmother Nanjamma. They sacrificed their life for my achievement like this. I recall them, and especially today, Prajna Foundation, Hello Calcutta, Lions Club, Rotary Club, and all the so many people, Calcutta journalists, and especially West Bengal journalists, they today Bhagwan Mahavir स्मरणार्थ विश्व शांति अंतर्राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार लॉर्ड भगवान मेमोरियल वर्ल्ड पीस इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड आई रिसीव्ड इट। मेरा जीवन धन्य है वही विकास इस भगवान महावीर दिव्य ज्योति है, परम ज्योति है, सत्य ज्योति है, अहिंसा ज्योति है, उसके नाम से लिए मेरे को ये प्रशस्ति मिल गया ना, मैं खुश है। लेकिन मैं ज्यादा दुखी भी था आज। क्या ना, द होल वर्ल्ड, पूरा यूनिवर्सल इज सफरिंग एंड डिस्ट्रॉइंग बिकॉज ऑफ वार। युद्ध से ज्यादा दुख होता था, अमायक जीव बलि होता था। सो मेनी इनोसेंट पीपल victimizing, receiving of award. Actually, I'm crying, really I'm crying, because ಕೆಲವು ಜನ ಯುದ್ಧದಾಯಿಗಳು ಮಾಡಂತ ಅಮಾನೀಯ ಕ್ರೌರ್ಯ ನಾವು the three warmongers, power mongers, they are going to doing inhuman cruelty. But we are going to tell the victims are telling that we are going to tell whole world, generation to come, like that. My humble request to first stop the war, because peace is always very important. So Bhagwan Mahavira, Bhagwan Buddha, Bhagwan Paigambar, Bhagwan Guru Nanak, like that we have lot of, especially पश्चिम बंगाल में रामकृष्ण परमहंस, माते शारदा देवी, माते स्वामी विवेकानंद जी, अरविंद घोष, Ramana Maharshi, Santa Kabira, like that. There are all lot of spiritual things are there. That spirituality is we have to adapt on our life. And particularly I am very much inspired by West Bengal literature also, culture also. For me, गुरुदेव रवींद्रनाथ टैगोर, बंकिम चटर्जी, माइकल मधुसूदन दत्त, अमर कवि काजी नसरुल्लाह इस्लाम, like that so many people they imply lot of, and then in freedom movement particularly Chittaranjan Das ji, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi ji, Ambedkar, Bhagat Singh, so many people sacrificed. उसका त्याग से बलिदान से हमको स्वातंत्र मिलना अभी हमको मालूम नहीं है व्हाट इज स्वातंत्र को मालूम नहीं है। वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द फ्रीडम रियली एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स वो मेड फॉर मी। गंगा माता, कावेरी माता, सेम, they are interconnected, they are very much, Ganga Mata, Kaveri Mata, interconnected, like that. What I'm saying, Vasudhaiva Kutumbam, we are all one family, one state, one nation and one word, like that. What I'm saying, everybody have to take care, love, care, compassion and affection about our family and our samaj, and especially our state and our nation and whole world. Then only life is beautiful, it's wonderful. So on this auspicious, I received this honor. I'm really lucky, and simultaneously, frankly, I'm crying. Inside, I'm crying. जरा दुख होते हैं ऐसे मैं क्या कोई I'm not leftist, I'm not rightist, I'm rightist. मैं एड़पंथी नहीं, बलपंथी नहीं, मैं जीवनपंथी है. Our all politicians nowadays, I don't know on this aspect. Sir, one thing I will tell you,
Everything turned into business. Politics turned into business. Health turned into business. Education turned into business. Even our honorable judiciary also turned into business. Bureaucracy also turned into business. This is what? नहीं है. See, on this Bhagwan Mahavir, what do you think about whole Sakala Jiva Kutumba, whole thing on this aspect you have to take care. Prithvi, ಗಾಳಿ, ನೀರು, ಬೆಳಕು, ಆಕಾಶ, ಜಲ್, ವಾಯು, ಐಸಲೆ पंचभूतेन पंचशीलेन we have to adopt in our life. You have to take respect. अभी पृथ्वी सेल हो गया, वायु सेल हो गया, आकाश भी सेल हो गया, जल भी सेल हो गया, सभी सेल ऐसे नहीं है. You have to take care. This is the message भगवान महावीर given to us. You have to think about ವಸುದೈವ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಸರ್ವೇ ಜನ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು. ಮುತ್ತನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ, ಕೂಡೋಣ, ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ, ಬಾಳೋಣ, ಬೆಳಗೋಣ. संग मिलेंगे, संग रचेंगे, संग जिएंगे, संग खिलेंगे. Let's come together, let's create together, let's live together, let's change together. जय कन्नडांबे, जय बांग्ला माते, जय कावेरी माते, जय गंगा माते, जय भारत, जय जगत. नमस्ते, धन्यवाद.